Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Quick Hit Casino Slots game. So let's get started. First, open the Quick Hit Casino Slots game. Once the game is open, you will see the login page. Here, you have three different login options. Continue with Facebook, continue with Apple and continue as guest. You can select any one of the login options depending on your preference. For this guide, we will be using the Continue with Facebook option. So tap on the Continue with Facebook button. Now tap on the Continue button to open the Facebook page. Finally, tap on the Continue button again to complete the login process. And this is how you can log into Quick Hit Casino Slots game. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.